Hey guys, so this channel called Mr. Know a Little is honestly kind of insane. They've uploaded only 30 videos, but already hit 108,000 subscribers. According to vidIQ, their estimated monthly earnings are somewhere between $1,000 to $4,000. Yeah, with just 30 videos. Or Productive Peter, with their estimated monthly earnings are somewhere between $3,000 to $9,000. And here's the crazy part, this isn't a one-off. There are many other channels in the inspiration and motivation niche quietly making really solid money as well. For example, Simply Easy. Simple, actually. Time for Growth. And the good news? You can build channels like these using only free AI tools and then let AI leverage your output, scale it, and even multiply it across multiple channels. But only if you do the things I'm about to share with you from now until the end of this video. I've built channels for multiple clients across different niches. I've been working in social media for years, and I've spent 8 years on YouTube specifically. Today, I'm sharing the thing I know that actually helps a channel succeed. The only thing you need to do? Stay consistent. That's it. Now, I know a lot of you keep asking this in the comments. Can AI content actually get approved for YouTube monetization? Let me be very clear here. If your content is organic, original, and has human touch, meaning you're not just auto-posting robotic content with zero creativity, then yes, you can get approved. And the proof? The exact channels I showed you at the beginning of this video. Alright, so here's how this video is structured. I'm splitting it into 2 parts. Part 1 is the most important, the strategy and key things you must understand to build a successful channel. Part 2 is the step-by-step process, how to actually make the videos. You can skip to Part 2 using the timestamps. But here's where it gets interesting. The method is the same for everyone, but creativity and strategy? That's what separates successful channels from the rest. I spent an entire week analyzing top-performing channels in this niche and condensed everything into just a few minutes for you. So, don't skip this part. Every small detail matters when you're building a YouTube channel in this niche. Part 1. What do successful channels have in common? If you're a beginner, the smartest thing you can do is learn from channels that are already winning. The inspiration and motivation niche is an evergreen, golden niche in any language. There's always room to grow here. And when you combine it with AI, you can use stick figures or a 2D animation style and still succeed. Video style. First, decide clearly, stick figure or 2D style. These videos are basically a sequence of images combined with voiceover narration. Each image must visually represent the exact line being spoken in the script, and there should be one main character throughout the video. Video script. Okay, this is the most important part. And yeah, don't worry, I've prepared prompts for you. By the end of the video, your viewer should feel more motivated to take action. It should sound like a real, honest experience, not robotic, not AI-generated. Simple words, human tone. You need a strong intro hook in the first 30 seconds, addressing a pain point or a dream, a promise of a solution, a clear body with solutions. You can include scientific explanations, not just empty motivation. And finally, an outro with a summary and CTA. You can use my prompts, adjust them, or use your own. Just make sure this structure stays intact. Thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first signal you send to viewers. It must hook attention instantly. Consistency. If you're a beginner, remember this. YouTube needs time to understand what your channel is about so it can recommend your videos to the right audience. Don't rush. Focus on improving. Make each video better than the last. Consistency wins. Part 2. Creating videos with free AI tools. All the prompts I mention are linked in the video description. You can also find more prompts in my Discord. The link is there too. Create a channel name. Paste prompt number 1 into ChatGPT and pick the name you like most. Your channel name should be easy to remember, relevant to the niche, 1 to 3 words. Create a guideline. You don't need anything complicated at first. Paste prompt number 2 to generate a simple brand guideline, fonts and colors included. Create a logo. Paste prompt number 3 into ChatGPT or Google Nano Banana Pro to generate your logo. Create a banner. Paste prompt number 4 into ChatGPT or Google Nano Banana Pro. Generate until you find one you love. Tweak it if needed. Create the channel. Don't skip this part. Once you have your logo and banner, go to YouTube and create a new channel. Set your channel name and handle to match. Then, go into YouTube Studio Aero settings. Video language, English. Title and description language, English. Visibility, USA. For tags and keywords, install the vidIQ extension. Then visit the channels I mentioned earlier, for example, Time for Growth. Click View Channel Stats, scroll down to Channel Tags, and copy the relevant ones. Don't copy their scripts, that's not okay. For keywords, click the 3 dots arrow, CSV, Export arrow. Export up to 10 videos. Scroll right and you'll see their keywords. Use these as inspiration and choose what fits your channel. After your channel is set up, spend time engaging with similar channels. Watch their videos, like them, and leave genuine comments. No spamming, no dropping links. Act like a real viewer who genuinely loves this niche. At this point, YouTube sees that you're a real person creating English content for a US audience with relevant tags and keywords, which helps your first videos get pushed to the right viewers. Generate ideas. Go to channels in the same niche. Click Videos, then Popular, copy the top 20 titles, and paste them into prompt number 5. ChatGPT will generate 20 ideas. Pick the best ones and save them in an Excel file, so you have a bank of great ideas. Generate video scripts. Start with videos around 6 to 10 minutes. Paste your idea into prompt number 6. Then, read the script carefully and add human touch. This is where most creators mess up. Make it sound human and your script. Generate images. Paste your script into prompt number 7 to get image prompts. Wait a little bit. Go to Whisk, paste your main character prompt, pick your favorite character image, and save it as your character. Then, generate the rest of the images. Generate voiceover. Choose a voice that fits motivation and inspiration. Each voice has a different speed, so test carefully. You can also design your own voice. That's how you avoid sounding like everyone else. Then, go to text-to-speech, paste the video script, generate and then listen again and download the audio. Edit the video. Open CapCut. Upload the audio and images. Cut out silent parts. Add images so visuals match the narration perfectly. Add effects, transitions, and text using your brand font. When you finish the video, export in 4K. Even if your source is 1080p, exporting in 4K helps YouTube treat it as higher quality. And here's a snippet from the video.
You start a new routine. Day 1, you feel unstoppable. Day 2, still strong. Day 3, something breaks. Suddenly, you don't feel like doing anything anymore. And then the thought hits. Maybe I'm just not disciplined enough. But what if the problem isn't your motivation? What if the system you're using is secretly designed to fail after 3 days? Because there's actually a psychological pattern behind why most students and young adults lose momentum so fast. And once you see it, you can finally stop restarting your life every Monday. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple system that keeps you moving forward, even when motivation disappears.
That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and tell me what topic you want next. See you in the next video.